Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're gonna talk about this amazing carbon fiber RFID block minimalist wallet, guys. You can see here that's the surface of the wallet. It looks like amazing, guys. This is a carbon fiber finishing on the top on both sides. So I just bought it like almost about 5 days ago, and I have a really amazing experience with this wallet, guys. And it takes less space in your pocket as compared to the other normal conventional wallets, and you can put your cards in here. And currently at this moment I have 10 cards, but you can put more than 10. You can put about 12 to 13 cards in it, and here you can put your money, as you can see here. And that's the space for the money. You can put it here for money, and also you can use this thing for your belt. You can put it on your belt, on anything you have a space, you can put this one. And then let's talk about its amazing feature, guys. First of all, it is RFID block, and I tried it, and when you try to scan, it will not scan anything. So this is amazing, one of the cool features about this wallet. The other thing you can see here, these are different six screws here. They are about 7 screws are over here, which gives a complete lock. And there is this one is elastic band over here. The one elastic is over here, and one elastic is over here, guys. So it will definitely protect your cards properly and tightly, and your cards will definitely it will not fall down. So the other thing which I'm gonna talk about, how you guys can take out your card from this wallet. So simply what you have to do, there is a space over here, you can see. I will remove it. So there is a space over here on the wallet, you can see here both sides. And what you have to do, you have to just push it from here, and the cards will come out from here. So I will do it, you can see here. So I push it, and the cards come from the other side, and you can select whichever card you want to select, guys. So this is amazing and really cool feature. It's a minimalist wallet. It has an impressive look, guys, and it has unique design, and it has two RFID aluminum plates. And let me take out the cards, and I will explain you more about this amazing wallet, guys. It has a pretty sleek design. So if I want to, I have to move it out from here. So here my cards, and I remove it, and you can see here when I try to open from inside, you can see here, this is from how it looks from inside, guys. So you can see here, and you can open it quite wide. You have elastic over this side, and one elastic over here, and there is one elastic on the back side. You can see this one. Okay, guys. So you can also put more money in here, and then it has a lifetime warranty. And definitely when you put money here, for example, let me show you. I will put my money over here, you can see here. So when I put money, it will not fall down. You can see it will, this thing will hold it tightly, and you can put more in over here. And so you can see here. So this is how it looks like, guys. And the finishing is really classy, and like a mirror, you can see here, it's really shiny, amazing. And if you want to put your cards in here, I will tell you what you have to do. You have to just open it widely, okay? And here are my cards. So what I will do, these are my cards. So what I will do, I will just open it like that, and then I just show my card inside. So you can see here, all my cards are in here. You can see here, you can put one card in here if you want to show your name. So your name will show over here. It's up to you. If you don't want to show, you want to hide, it's okay, it's up to you, guys. It's really easy, guys. So this is the way where you get your cards out, guys. So simply what you have to do, as I told you, you have to just press it from here, and your cards will come out, guys. And so really amazing feature. And if you want to see, there's a carbon fiber material in here. So this on the top, on the top there is a carbon fiber, and inside there is a aluminum plate, you can see here. there's a aluminum plate inside. Two aluminum plates are inside, and amazing thing, this is RFID block. Normally the other wallets come, they don't give you the RFID features, but this will give you the RFID feature, guys. So there are different prices in the market about this wallet and I bought it about 39 euros, and it's really amazing, guys. So this is my review about this carbon fiber wallet. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.